And you see what happens to his neck and his head. Let's look again at that difference. Okay, so fill the area with vital energy. He pushes into me. And now I open the mental body. And just a simple pattern. Okay. Now same thing, but with the cut. So pour breathing life force into the field. And now I'm going to cut the mental matrix. And you see what happens to his neck and his head. Now at that moment, that's a great opportunity. I come back here. Okay. That's a great opportunity to issue, right? Because it's basically your brain sort of disappears for a moment there. It's like you're just gone. When that mental matrix gets cut sharply, it's like your capacity to perceive anything that's going on disappears. So I have a friend who's trained for years. Every touch, he's checking it. Like when he was moving, he'd go reach into that, to the matrices and just tear them apart with every touch. He trained it to an amazing degree. The result is when you get touched, you freeze. You don't know where you are. So the thing we want to look at is that distinction between opening the mental body versus cutting that mental matrix. Once we have the distinction, we can then, we have more tools we can play with, and then we can start exploring other energies within the same tools. Okay, and being able to delineate a difference in our perception between the two, and also in our partner's reaction between the two, allows us to build that much, much faster. Now, like for Jimmy, there's the ability for the mental body, when you cut that matrix, to split off and be topsy-turvy and unable to find the rest of it's very high. So we want to be careful with that, and just cut it. And if you're going to do an issue, just very soft, do that. Because it can be quite dangerous when someone's equilibrium and understanding of where they are in space is so divorced through that cut from the actual body and the actual space. Okay, thank you.